Hi guys, it's Nadine. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to make another traditional South African recipe. I will show you how to make the famous Malva pudding. If you like this kind of videos, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Let's get started. You will need the following: 500 milliliters of milk, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 200 grams sugar, 100 gram butter, 10 milliliter of bicarbonate of soda, 6 milliliter salt, 2 large eggs, 10 milliliter of vinegar and 30 milliliter of apricot jam. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius and prepare a baking dish. Cream the butter and sugar together. Add the eggs and cream together. Add the jam and vinegar. Sift in the dry ingredients. Add the milk and mix together. Bake for 1 hour. For the sauce you will need the following: 200 milliliter of sugar, 10 milliliter of vanilla extract and 2 tins of evaporated milk. Heat the evaporated milk and sugar until the sugar has dissolved. Remove from the heat and add the vanilla extract. Pour the hot sauce over the hot pudding. Thanks for watching today's video. Please remember to like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell. I will see you next time. Bye guys.